Dear students, whether log of minus x is defined or not. Definitely log of minus x is defined if x is a negative quantity. Log of minus x will be log of positive quantity as x is a negative quantity. So log of minus x is defined if x is negative. And how to draw the graph of f of minus x? That is a familiar concept to you, dear students. Right? So first draw f of x and use y-axis as mirror. Write the replicas. See, dear students, this is log x, this is known concept to you. Use y-axis as mirror and write its replicas. See? This is log of minus x. Very, very important concept. Understood? Log of minus x is clearly like this. You can observe carefully. There is a point here. This point should be minus 1 comma 0. Is it correct? That is log of minus 1 is definitely 0. Is that correct? And this is 0 comma 0. If x belongs to minus 1 to 0, log of minus x is negative. That is log of minus x is negative when if x belongs to minus 1 to 0, excluding both. Is that correct? And log of minus x is positive. Yes, even though it is in second quadrant, the curve is above x-axis, it is minus plus. That is log of minus x is positive for all x less than minus 1. Is it correct? And negative y-axis is asymptote, right? Negative y-axis is asymptote. What do you mean by the word asymptote, dear students? Asymptote is a line which meets the curve at infinity. With this knowledge, let us talk about continuity. The graph is definitely continuous, right? Continuous. Where? For all x less than 0. For all x less than 0. And of course, no doubt it is differentiable. For all x less than 0. What is domain? You can see the graph exists only up to 0 from minus infinity. Is that correct? Domain means x belongs to minus infinity to 0, or you can say x belongs to set of negative real numbers. And what about range? You can see the vertically graph is available everywhere. Even though the graph exists in only second and third quadrant, range means y belongs to set of real numbers. Right? So this is about y is equal to log of minus x. Y is equal to log of minus x is a special kind of function, dear students. Y is equal to log of minus x is a special kind of function, dear students.